Welcome to the new video. So today's question is longest substring with at most k distinct characters. You are given a string str and an integer k. Your task is to find the length of the largest substring with at most k distinct characters. For example, you are giving a string a b b b b b c and k equals to 2. Then the substring that can be formed are a b b b b b and b b b b b c. Hence the answer is 6 because we have to find the longest substring with at most k distinct characters. Now let's understand the question by taking an example. Now then we'll reduce the brute force better and optimal solution. So let's take the example, which is, let's take a b c d d e, a b c and d d e, d d e f g. Okay, let's take this example. What we'll do, what we'll have to find, suppose k is equal to, and k is, I think k is 3, so we have to find the longest substring with at most 3 distinct characters. So if I can find, this is the substring, I think, with, and this is also substring with at most 3 distinct characters and this longest only. So how we will reach here? Let's take brute force. We will make a map. In which we will keep a pointer over here. So how to create substring? By using 2 for loops. Suppose was this substring, then this, then this. We will keep putting in the map also. Suppose a is 1, b is 1, c is 1, then we came here, it becomes d comma 1, and also max length variable. When we were here, max length become 3 because it is less than equals to k. Oh sorry, max length not less than equals to k, because number of distinct character, we can say map size is less than equals to k. Then we'll update the max length. Okay, when we reach here at d, map has 4 size, so it will not update. Instead we will break the loop and we will start from here. Now here, still 3. Also we will erase this. We will erase all the things, all the map. We will clear all the map. I will explain again. We will clear all the map when we start from B. Let's start from B again. When we are at B, we put B, 1. Max length do not updates because it is 2. Length becomes 3, and we can calculate max length by r minus l plus 1. We already know this. D, 1. Now see, length becomes 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 minus 1. 4 minus 1 plus 1. That is 4. Now let's make E. When E comes in map, the size becomes 4, which is greater than k. So we break the loop and we start from C. And also we clear the map. Okay. So this is the brute force solution. Now we will keep C, D, then D, then E. It is still 4. Max length is still 4. Then when F comes, it again breaks the for loop. Then again comes the for loop. Let's write its code. What was its code? Let's see. We will make a maxlen equals to 0, and we will also first of all we will make a maxlen equals to 0. Then we'll start the for loop int I equals to 0 till I equals to less than str dot size till I plus plus. Then we will also make a map. We can map inside also. Map char comma int mp for int j equals to I, j less than str dot size j plus plus. Now see, we have to put everything inside map first. Mp dot str j plus plus. Now check. Now we will check if map dot size is less than equals to k, then we will update the maxlen to max of maxlen comma r minus l plus j plus 1. Sorry, r j minus I plus 1. Else we will break the loop. I think this is correct. Yes, we will return it. We will return the answer. Return maxlen. Now let's run it. It is done. Test case are running. When we will submit it, because it is big of n square, it will say accepted, but it is big of 1 square. So we will see the optimal solution, better solution first. What would be the better solution? See, for better solution, let's move ahead and take an example. A, B, C. Again, we'll take the example of, what is our example? A, B, C, D, D. A, B, C, D, D, E, F, and G. Now, let's make a map. Map will be used. Now what we can do? We can use sliding window. So let's keep left and right pointer on 0 index first. 0 index first, and then you can do what you can do. Also keep a maxlen variable. You set it with 0, and yeah, you can now start. So first of all, keep in the map with count 1. So map size is less than equals to k, so we'll increase the maxlen. Now r moves b comma 1. Still we can update. We can also update now. Now map becomes greater than equal to 3, so we'll update the left pointer to here. Now a is removed from the map, so now it is also 3 size only. Maxlen remains 3 only. Now we can update r. It becomes 4. Why? Because it is of length 4. By calculating this, you can solve. Now when we move ahead, we came up with e in the map, but it is greater than equal to k, so we move the left pointer to here. Now see, b is removed from the map. Still the size is 4. Now we will move the right pointer again. We come up with f. Again the map size become greater than k, so we will move the left pointer. Again the size becomes 4. Again we will move r pointer. We come up with g. Then we will update e. Still update e. Now it is 3, which is less than, so it will not update. So our answer is 4. Let's write its code. We'll change this while loop. We will initialize r and left pointer right and left pointer. Also we will initialize a map of char comma int mp, and we will make a start a while loop. R is less than str.size. Now put everything inside map. What str of r inside map. Now check condition. When map size is greater than equal to k, greater than k, you can reduce the map of strl, and you can check if map of strl. We have done this type of question, right? So that's why I'm increasing the pace. So now we can clear the map, we can erase it from the map, so that size reduces. So mp.erase strl. Now we can increase the left pointer. Also, if mp.size is less than or equal to k, this means max length should be updated to what? To r minus l plus 1. Also right pointer increases always. We can return the max length. Now let's run this code. It should be submitted. Let's submit it. See, it is submitted. Now let's move to optimal solution. What could be the optimal? I have told you before also the optimal solution. In this case, we have what we are having. Suppose we are having we were having what? We were having what was the problem? We were having A, B, C, D, D. A, B, C, D, D, E, F, G. We were having this, and we were having a map. Left pointer is here, right pointer is here initially. Now, similarly make max length. Also, we have made the map. Now, max length becomes 1 when A goes in map. R pointer increases. Again, B goes. R pointer increases. Again, C goes. This step is same. Max length keep on increasing till 3. When D reaches, when it reaches to D. Now see, map has 4 value. So if map is having greater than or equal to k, so we have to increase our left pointer. But now we will increase only by 1, not a while loop. We will increase only by 1. Why? Because suppose you are having max length 3, so it can update to 4. If the valid condition happens, then it can update to 4 for a valid substring. It cannot directly jump towards 5 or 6. It increases stepwise. So there is no use of reducing L so that substring reduces to less than 3, less than 2. Substring reduces to less than equal to 2. There is of no use less than 2. So that's why we'll increase till. That's why we increases only by 1, so that our window is 3. Still the size is 3, because there is no use of reducing less than equals to less than 3. Why? Because because it will not change the max length. It will not affect the max length. So we will keep it 3 only. Now if R moves here, suppose, now see, it is a valid window of 4. Now it updates to 4. Now see, R comes here, so E comes in the map. Now it is greater than K, so we move the left pointer by 1. Now again it is valid. So it keeps to 4. Okay. Yes. Now when it reaches to F, then F comma 1. Again it's invalid, so L moves to 1. When L moves to 1, it becomes this. Now see, we do not make a while loop. We do not wrote a while loop here. Now we'll update R. and we'll update R, and actually it was here now, so that's why it is 2 only. When it is having G, then it is to 1. Okay, but still when we move the R pointer, it goes out of bound. Our answer is still 4 only. We do not write 5 answer because it is invalid. So if I will write code, you will understand more better, actually better. So what you have to change? Only if condition, while to if, and yeah, it will be submitted. See, hope you enjoyed the video. Let's meet in the next video. Till then, goodbye.